Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can join a person on Roblox without being their friend. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that, you have to simply go ahead and access Roblox first. And here what you need to do is you need to go to the search bar and you have to make sure that you remember a correct user ID, their correct user ID. So what you need to do is you need to go to the search bar and you need to type in their user ID. So I'm going to go ahead and type in a username and then I'm gonna search it up. Once you do that, you will find many options. Again, that's why I mentioned you need to remember their correct username. So for example, let's say this is the person that I'm searching for. I'm gonna view their full profile. This person have add friend option. I'm gonna tap on add friend and the friend request will be sent. Now when they agree, then I will be their friend and we will have a mutual understanding. That's what you can do. All you have to do is simply go ahead, tap on a profile of a friend of yours and go ahead, tap on add friend, and that's how you will be able to send them a follow or add them as a friend, and they will be here in the friend section. And next time when you need to know if they're online or not, you will find a green dot, so you can go ahead, know that they are online, and you can start playing games together. That's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.